The final element of a successful grain protection outcome is undertaking a post-application checklist. So that is really fundamental as to, we've gone through all the hard work, we want to make sure that we complete the post-storage checks. So really once the grain goes into storage and we seal the hatches, we want to turn on the aeration and run it on rapid. If it's on auto controller, it's more suitable. But it's really important to get that aeration going fast and cool that grain down. As part of an effective program, we want to monitor monthly. Obviously in the first month or two, people are probably in the wind down phase from harvest, but essentially it's that sort of second, third, fourth, fifth month, what we want to just make sure, particularly if it's just running on aeration and cooling, is we want to make sure that we undertake a fumigation within the first month to make sure that if there's any insects transferred from the field, that they're cleaned up. Remember, with fumigation, it's always in a sealed silo, and we've already tested it for gas tightness, so we know that we're going to maintain that concentration by time. In terms of monitoring hatches, we're just obviously going to make sure we clear silos from fumigants before we open hatches, and so that's all through our record keeping processes, so we know what's happened. But what we can also do in storages is have pitfall traps, which we can monitor insects with those, and they're commonly available. So we can also put pheromone traps around the silo complex. So it's really important to make sure that we undertake our hygiene also to clean up any post-harvest treatment spills, so we just keep that whole complex nice and tidy. And always, when you're selling grain, please use a commodity vendor declaration to declare that if a grain protectant's been applied, that the future owners of the grain know that that's on the grain.